going to happen. It always happens. Performing shows inside this space, at the beginning it always feels a bit awkward. 2 weeks ago, it was 10 a.m. on a Sunday at 10 a.m. It was completely empty. By the end of it, it was actually a lovely show. So far, all I've done is lose audiences. No, I'm joking with that. Have a lovely evening. I'm joking with you. Alright, time to get it together. Get it together, Chris. Get it together. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. It always happens.
Actually, it looks like someone farted. So just come closer, okay? Perfect.